find the sunshine most of the time. And the feeling's laid back. Palm trees grow, rent so low, don't you know? I keep working my way back. But I'm a Jamaican boy, you born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. LA's fine, but it ain't home. New York's home, but it ain't mine no more. I am myself. One day, and no one heard it all night, even the chant. I am not blind. I am scared, and I am lost, and I can't leaving alone.
Highly response to me at the gas station.
And they all became one. Feel the change, talk now.
Big up yourself, Queen.
Story is the same one. But I've got this emptiness deep inside, and it won't let me go. And I'm a man who don't like to swear, but I hate the sound of being alone.
Maxine, Morgan Smith.
I am myself.
No, one
And no
one.
heard it.
Jennifer Mills, pick up yourself.
And now I'm lost, and I can't even say why.
Jennifer Mills.
No one
How are you, beautiful queen?
And no
one.
How you doing, Miss CC?
even the chance.
We just make a quick stop in. Are we trying to let the ball? Are we trying to let the ball? Which one are we playing the ball?
Drop one over that one.
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Lost, and I can't even say why.
Okay.
Leaving alone.
Yeah. What's
Big up,
up?
happy Saturday to one and all.
What a guan, my people. Happy Saturday.
Bless up yourself.
Blessings on
big
top
up
of
yourself.
blessings.
Good afternoon. Karen Blair, big up yourself.
Karen
Queen.
Blair.
Happy Saturday.
What a guan. Happy Saturday. We're out a road.
Oh, let me tell you for pull up the song one
Oh, they
more
want me
time.
to pull up the
Yes.
song. All right. Anything for me queens, them, you know, man. Anything for them, you know, man. Let me go back and find it, you know, man.
In the tune.
All
right.
We can do it, you know, so we're not afraid to do it, you know, man. No, we're not afraid to come in, Mikey Spice.
One more time.
It's all about you. It ain't fine, sunshine most of the time.
What? And the feeling is
even born and raised.
Nowadays I'm lost between the shores.
Elma, good afternoon.
You got so
Why you love off of me? Karen, I love you, love off of me.
Yeah, bring back an ice cream.
myself.
Oh. Fly girl Georgia, pick up yourself, please. Hey.
And no one heard it
All night.
Even the chair. Whoop, 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 whoop.
I am my bride.
Let me take off the seatbelt, car. When they are waiting for somebody.
Let's flash your mind.
and I am lost and I can't even say why.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Leaving alone, let's leave.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Hey.
Get a read about a father, dream of being a king. And they all became,
How many people are here? 20?
20.
20. Perfect.
except for the name.
Karen! Cause when we have to say, perfect amount of people. Perfect when we have to say.
Same one.
Make we see who the funny live. Make we see name them.
Emptiness deep inside.
We can screenshot the name them.
Yeah, we can.
Alright. Make we screenshot the name them. First priority for you. Hey!
I hate the sound of being alone.
First priority for you.
I am myself.
Screenshot the name them, Vanilla. Yes!
No one there.
So we like it.
And no one
When we see a little bit of people, we know, sir, and we
even the
we're die-hearted and we're die-hearted people them here, no man. Yes, man. Screenshot the name them. Make no mistake about it. Yes. Una don't even share it live. Don't share it, please. Don't share it.
even say why.
We are screenshotting name them on the live, yeah. I am.
Myself.
Screenshot Vanilla, shut out the blowout. Hi, Gordon. Shut it out, shut it out, shut it out, shut it out.
All right, I got him.
You got them? All right.
Let me make sure I got Karen. Hold on, Karen.
Screenshot,
wait,
yeah,
wait, wait.
give Karen a chance. Give Karen a, give Nisi a chance. Look like she just come. Screenshot this blowout. Yes. Anyway, anybody else that come there, I can't even say what.
Yeah, I don't know. I got
We
him.
got to know.
Gotcha.
We're gonna tell her now. Yes. Oh no, a first priority in a this.
Travel can be a nightmare. Luckily,
Oh, hold on. We got Gillette. We got Anisha. We got to get them. I got you, Pie.
Screenshot them blowout.
I got you, Pie. I
All
got you
right.
already.
Anybody else come on? It's too late.
Yeah.
All right, here we go down.
Those who commented already, we got
Yes. We are gonna have 2 sets of $200 for back to school. You guys,
you.
so
Oh, we
it's
got to get Charmaine. Hold on.
you are gonna keep continuing
not-
getting
no,
people.
no, that's it.
We're off a stop.
That's it.
We're off a stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's gonna be $400. We're gonna split it in 2. 2 for one person, 2 for another person for back to school. That's what we are gonna do. We're gonna tell you how you guys that we screenshotted, you're automatically qualified to enter for this back to school. Yes, we're gonna do it towards the end of this month.
Yep.
Yes.
You get priority.
Priority gonna get.
Yeah.
Yes.
I got
So-
you, Anisha. You were in there.
Yes. So that's how we're gonna do it. People, somebody was saying we should split it up in 4, but no, we're gonna do it in 2. We want it to be a good, nice chunk of change.
Yep.
I mean, 2 isn't it a lot, but I feel like 2 is better than 1. Right?
That's right.
Right? Yes. So we're going to be giving away $400 towards back to school. Now, we came on today because I noticed there's some confusion with the lunchtime baby.
The backup page.
At the backup page.
So if you don't follow the backup page, please follow the backup page. Because
Yes.
things are going to happen over there that we're not going to do on this platform. We're going to do it over there. And you have to be a follower to be included.
Yes. Not only you are first priority that we screenshot today, but I'm also looking into doing another barrel. Congratulations to Gillette Davis.
Yes,
She's gotten her
congratulations
barrel.
to Gillette.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And
Ms. Makita.
Ms. Makita, they've gotten their barrels. Yes,
Yes.
they have, and they're so excited. And we did a box to someone else, which we don't wish to call her name on here, but Gillette can attest to it because we included that box for her in Gillette's barrel. So Gillette on here can attest that we sent an extra box of food for this particular person, which we don't
will remain nameless.
Yeah, nameless, because we didn't do it on the platform. So we figure we're not going to put it on the platform. Gillette and Makita, they won on the platform,
Yes,
so it's no big deal to call their names. Yes. So everybody got their stuff and everybody is good. We don't play around.
No.
When we say we're sending something,
When we say we're going to do something, we do it.
we'd ask the people them that won from us. We are on top of it like white pan rice. Yes. Sometimes I'm probably tired of it. You understand?
Right. Feel like we're stuck on them because we're like, did you get the barrel yet? Did you get the barrel yet?
Yes. We are just so we roll. You know, we from A to B to Z. We follow it all the way till it done.
Yep. Send off the barrels clear.
Them have
everything.
them receipt.
Yep.
We have our receipt, we have our video, and if all is well.
All is good.
I'm looking into doing another barrel for Christmas. Yes. So for you guys, not only you're on here for that back to school 400 that we're gonna do, you're also qualified for that barrel that I'm considering for Christmas. Gillette in it.
And the barrel
is doing well. Big up yourself, Gillette. Big up yourself. Big up yourself all the time. Yeah, man. But let's clarify the lunchtime babies.
Yes. The lunchtime babies.
Because I notice under some of the videos that are not lunchtime baby, you guys are saying it's my lunchtime. So the lunchtime baby will always be eating.
And they'll say, it's my lunchtime.
And they will say, it's my lunchtime. So you don't have to put that under every video we post over on the chocolate and vanilla page.
The backup page.
Yeah, just interact, because when you interact, we're going to follow the same formula and screenshot you interacting with our other, commenting on our other videos, and you become first priority. You understand? Because we honestly want to give back to people who genuinely and truly support us.
Yes.
That's the whole point of us giving back, because we want to give love where we get love from. No pretend love and just come over because you know we're kind and you just want something from us. You understand? Because we ain't no fool around here.
Right.
You understand? So that's the whole point of us doing these little spontaneous things, because we know once the live go on, I know that some people have a hard time getting our notification because Facebook sometimes act up.
And
we're not saying that.
We do try and put at followers, at top fans, to try and help that out for you guys to get the notification, but we understand it doesn't always work.
Exactly. We're not saying if you come after we do a live, then you're not a genuine and true supporter.
We're not saying that.
But we know that, you know, we want to capture our supporters and we pay attention. Trust and believe we do pay attention. Yeah, and we do know a lot of the names.
We do.
Even if we don't call you out, we do know that a lot of the names. All right. So we want people who support us, people who, you know, care about us like we care about you guys. We want you to benefit from us, not just some random people passing through Facebook and see us doing something and want to be a part of it. I don't think that's fair to people who support us and who are always here when we, no matter how crazy, whatever foolishness we're doing. You understand me? That's what I want. That's how the people I wanted to benefit. Keep doing good. Miss the notification at times. Yes, man, I know that sometimes the notification don't notify folks at a good a quick time. You know what I mean? Because sometimes I'll get the notification on my personal page a while after.
Yes, me too.
We post something.
Yeah. It would be like, 3 hours later, I'll get the notification about chocolate and vanilla, and I'm like, wait a minute, we posted that how long ago, and you're just sending the notification, Facebook? Come on.
But let me give you all a tip, because I want everybody. It's a level playing field.
It is,
and I want to bless as many people as we can with that. If it's even with that $25 for ice cream from Vanilla and I. So just put in your phone. It's lunchtime. And copy it somewhere.
Yeah,
type it. You could do it in your notepad, can't you?
I have a notepad thing that I use. You can also text it to somebody, and then you can just go to that text, copy it, and paste it.
Yeah, and
quick.
Quick and fast. That way, you know, did I type out? It's my
or
lunchtime.
you know. Okay, all right. It's coming to lunchtime. Even if we don't post it that day, at least you'll have already typed it, and then when you see it, you can boom.
And just keep in mind, we're gonna do it close to 12 o'clock here in the United States. If not 12 o'clock, a little bit after 12 o'clock. So just look around that time. We did it twice this week, and we did it twice because it's the first time doing it, so we gave you guys a bonus. But every week it's gonna be $25 for the month of August. Yeah. And then at the end we're gonna still do that $25 thing, the lunchtime, in addition to our back to school giveaway. And I'm leaving for vacation.
Yes,
we're leaving for vacation the beginning of September. So when I get back, then I'm gonna focus on the barrel and tell you guys more about the barrel. All right, because I see how much it was appreciated. You know, a lot of people are saying you don't ship food and stuff like that. You can get the same things to buy in Jamaica. We know all of that, or wherever country you're at. We know all of that. But see, you get these things in bulk. You understand? And
Margaret Isaacs, pick up yourself, Queen. Happy Saturday to you.
Not that I don't trust folks, but you at least know you bought food. You understand?
Yeah.
You know? So, Margaret Isaac, get up on your what a one beautiful queen. I love this lady.
Yes.
Margaret Isaac.
I want to support her.
She has been with us from day one, and even though she ended up creating her own platform, this lady has never left us out. And it's people like her that motivate us and help us to believe that there are good and sincere people still exist in this world, or even on social media. Margaret, we appreciate you. We don't take you for granted. I know we haven't commented a lot on your videos, but believe me, I always try to leave a reaction whenever I see your videos. I watch you cook. I watch you dance. I watch you on the street, going to work, and you're just such a beautiful soul.
Keep being yourself.
You know, some people where you just know that they're just such a beautiful soul. You know, I just love you. Love your spirit, your vibes. Just love you.
Yes,
we honestly love you. We talk about you behind the scene.
And it was a pleasure to meet you in person.
We talk about you on the behind the scene a lot, and said that this lady Margaret Isaac, man, she has been with us from day one, when we used to have 4 people, 7 people a watch way, and she even ended up building her own platform, but she never ever forget about us, you know?
Right.
And I just want to tell you that we appreciate and we love you.
We love you, Queen.
Yeah, we love you.
Keep
all
being
right?
you.
Yeah, and
Keep being
continue
your beautiful
to
self.
being you. And that's a lady that knows us.
Yes.
That's what I know. She
We
knows
love you,
us.
Queen.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. She know way. She just know we art and know way. You know, so we are come. It's been what, over 5 years now. We're on social media, and you know, we try to be better versions of ourselves. We committed to what we said we're out here to do, which is put a smile on y'all faces, which is sharing with you guys from, you know, I'm gonna use the word they use on us, not to be negative, but I don't mind people judging me and say I don't have a lot. So that's even more, it means a lot more to me when people say that, because if I have so little and I'm able to give, can you imagine the people them with a lot, what they can do? You know, so I will continue to give from the little that I have, because I'm always doing it from my heart without no praise. I don't need no praises, no validation, no highlights, none of that. I'm doing it because I will always and forever remember where I'm coming from, and know that, you know, my parents, they weren't lazy people. It was just that the opportunities weren't there for them. They've tried, they work hard, you understand, and they did what they could for us, you know, but life was still hard at times. And I know it's even harder now these days. So that's why I've taken this thing so serious, to do for others what I would have wanted someone when I was going through my struggles to do for me. Yeah, not for clout, like I said, not to prove anything to anyone out here on social media, because God knows I will never live. That's too much of a burden for me to carry. Right. Yeah, I will never come out here, and if they say I don't have this or I don't have that, I will never bring it forward. Whatever they say,
whatever you say,
that's how it is. My queens that have been here with me with us from day one knows exactly who we are. We
try to remain true to ourselves.
Yes. And folks that have met us in Jamaica, who we have taken out our followers, supporters, they see the real us. People that we've bumped into doing functions, they have met us and see how we are. We are truly down to earth. This is not for camera. You understand? Any day I decided, any day any voice inside my head talks to me and say I need to come out here and live for people on social media and try to impress them, that's the day I'll just not come on. We'll just shut down the channel and forget about social media. You understand? No, because I fear God. I fear Him. I fear Him with every fiber in my body. I feel like I'm so fearful of God, people. You just don't know. You just don't understand. You understand? Because I've seen what no matter how some people are prospering, and they treat people bad, I've seen the end result. Yes, I've seen it. I've been a witness to it. You understand? Yes.
I always looked at it like this. You always treat people the way you wanted to be treated.
And we know it's not always going to happen like that in life, because we're not, you know, we're not insane to believe that. But we try to see the good in folks. We try to do everything we do from our heart. We try to do everything without expectations. That way we'll never be disappointed. Yeah, right. You understand? And that's how we will continue to live our lives. Whenever we can, we come out here. We're busy. We don't try to sacrifice doing anything with our families, or when it comes to business. You know, during COVID, we used to be out here a lot. That's because everywhere was pretty much shut down. Yeah. You understand? But everything became normal again. So we're back to, you know, maintaining our lives and being with our families and attending functions. And we don't show all those things. Like I said, we don't live for social media. No. So who wants to think we're home and we don't do anything? Our lives are boring. I don't have anything to prove to anyone. You understand? I don't have to show everywhere I've traveled to. Vanilla will tell you that that's just me. She begged me. Whenever I post anywhere I go, it's because of Vanilla. It's because of Vanessa.
And I
She's
go
right.
places, and I'm
And she's quick to want me to post, but she never posts when she goes
I don't
anywhere.
post when I go.
And that's not fair.
No.
Come to think of it.
It's not.
That's not fair. You understand?
I was just going to say that.
I think I want to divorce you as a friend. I
go
just
places
thought about
and
that.
I tell Chocolate, you know, you need to share. People want to see, but I don't do that.
And you don't do it. So why you put that pressure on me? And you know it's something that I really don't like doing.
I know. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Go like even going places with our families. We go places and we don't show it.
And people want us to share. We understand that. We want to and we want to share with you guys too. But the thing is, you know, I just can't stand the toxicity. Say a word for me. Yeah. On social media, you know, you're judged for everything, and prevention to me, because I'm not from a tenement yard, guys. I'm really not. I'm not used to going back and forth and arguing with people. That's not me. You understand? And I'm me that.
I'm not used
to that. So I just, and I don't mind dim my lifestyle for social media. I don't mind doing it, because I know when I turn off the camera, I have my reality. You understand me? So I don't need to prove anything to anyone. You understand? Because it no matter what we prove, if me show when me there, some people will probably even say me not did there. Right. Even though them see me not the live. You understand?
There. Yeah, yeah.
I know how social media is.
And my kids don't want to be on social media, so I mean, I have to respect their wishes. So
yeah, no, because listen, guys. The other day we share a commercial that Auntie was doing. Yeah, we shared it on our platform. It's the top thing that she for the phone No, it's not for phone. It's for sending money.
Sending money, yes.
We share it to our page, and they reported our page for that.
Yes, they did.
They reported it as a scam on our page, and our page got flagged for that.
Yep.
So there are some cruel people out here, because yes, there are some cruel people out here that I don't know what happened to them in life, that they felt like they need to come on social media and bully other people into believing in
whatever
what they believe.
Like,
yeah,
you can't have a mind of you can't have a mind of your own.
Liking who they like. Yeah. Do what they want you to do on your platform, even though it's your platform. You understand what I'm saying? And it's just too much drama for us.
Yes.
You understand? It's just too much drama.
That's true. That you can't please everybody.
No, and we're not out here to please anyone. And that's why we are not pressed to impress a soul, or to prove our life to a soul on social media.
Yeah.
If we're broke, but we're gonna give from our broke asses.
Yes.
You
we're
understand?
Gonna give from our broke asses.
We're gonna give from our broke asses, okay? If we don't, if for house me living, if me living at somebody else,
1 minute are for you, next minute are for me, next minute are for somebody else.
Right.
So,
Well,
but you're there every day.
Yeah, wait, me just all give it away. Me just all give it away. So if me living as somebody else, you know, okay, as somebody else. Get used to
Whatever
seeing
you
me
say.
in there. Whatever you say. You understand me? You know what I mean? If
We're
you
not gonna
carry
come
me
out
off,
here and prove anything.
you carry me off if I not for me, alright then.
All
Me go
right.
beg it at the dealership
Yeah.
and then give it to me. If me go on vacation and
Picked it up on the side of the road.
me go to the airport and me beg a ticket and then give me it with the hotel and everything, and I saw me end up on vacation.
Yeah.
But through all of that poorness, I am willing to give from it. Alright? That's how I said. That's what the thing said.
Yeah.
All of that poorness. You understand? Because me have a thing there now, guys. Me not even mention the other cars them. But I have a 4Runner. A Toyota 4Runner. And you will catch me any day in a Toyota 4Runner. And my favorite thing for drive. Yeah. My favorite thing for drive more than the luxury cars. Why? Because me not have to be careful. Why? Because I have to care when I park it.
If she drinks, she not to worry about
drink,
it swelling.
Me not care if you want to spill over in there. Yes, I'm a favorite thing for drive. So when people sit down and worry about cars, them things that is not things that I worry about.
They don't phase
those things are just things for what? For comfort. To a certain extent, you understand me?
Yeah.
Because no matter if you're driving a one old car or a new car, if the rotted thing crash and I saw you for dead, you're not gonna save you. You understand? You're not gonna save you. Yes. Yeah.
And it's just material.
Yeah.
things.
Me not sit down and worship material things. People from social media make my things them be more of a concern to them than me. You understand? Yeah, never my house be more of a concern to them than me were actually living there.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
You know.
But wait,
Sometimes I remember some have a house and them remind me.
But the funniest thing is when me hear them talk about your house and them saying a feel. And me I say, then why are there pictures up in the house of you?
The point that no one they continue to say it. You understand me? Yeah, you know what I mean?
Make it make sense.
Yeah, I have a roof up above me and a good place to sleep. You know what I mean? Food on my table
And
shoes on your feet. How much time if you come by here and tell you all one time I live in a little piece of apartment there and me and Mike come from Jamaica and the damn roof dropped down pan we in a bed. You understand me?
Yeah,
you know me think about them things the more than the damn house I'm living in now. Huh? I wonder if you don't know. They make my house more of a concern to them than it is to me. Yeah, because I'm used to it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's just like somebody come visit now and they make a big deal out of it. Me just say, why the big deal? Because I'm used to it. You understand? So, them things that don't bother me. You understand? Me just out when me come by here for me gonna do, I laugh all the time. Because I love to laugh. Me love to have fun.
Yeah.
Me love to see people laugh.
We love for entertaining.
Yes, because not unless you cry for some surprise. You understand? Or something good, something good and you cry. That's the only time I like to see people cry. When me surprise them and them start to cry. But me love to see, because me know so most time when people cry, it's because of pain.
Right.
Yeah? Yeah. Because of pain. That's why them cry. So I love to see people laugh. I love to put a smile on the faces of people.
Love to see people happy.
Yeah. You know what I mean? So
even if somebody's having a bad day, if we can put a smile on your face, that makes us feel good.
Yeah, so we just fill in the time that we would usually be out here with our AI babies. They're so much fun to make, and a lot of people enjoy them.
And remember,
it's not for everyone.
They are AI. They are not really speaking for themselves.
They're not real
they're
babies.
They're not real babies talking like that.
Because you have people go under there and argue with the AI baby them, Although I don't want them to stop doing that, because when I read it, it's so hilarious.
It makes me laugh.
We laugh out hell because them argue with the baby, like the one where say Jamaican men don't cheat. One woman write a whole thing under there, go back and forth with the AI baby, Oh, you're so damn lie. You this and that. You're a liar. You fit turn over. You're too damn lie. Pick me come off internet with your lying self. Yeah.
And then the one about where you say Russia, the one somebody come under there and I make one big long sitting about why you have to why you have to talk about Jamaican would it be president and attack all them sitting there, boy. You want me for push button? And I argue with a little baby. I
argue with the AI baby, You understand? Say people are cussy baby them under there. Now tell me, say them your people, they don't need to take with them phone. Yes, them a cussy little one where say Jamaican men don't cheat. You know how much I comment me delete? Because I'm like, this is no, me go save on the embarrassment. Because I know people that go up under there and tell them, say say this is not a real baby though.
You know, so the baby.
All the one, let me tell you, all the one on the plane. The one where say
Dorsey.
Dorsey on it. We get the name there. We say wait a say hold it pilot, hold it. Here, man. Shut up, little girl, shut up. First of all, your mother should teach you some manners. You don't have any manners. Why you behaving like that? And why do your mother color your hair blue at that tender age. Shut up, little girl. When I read that comment, I was on the floor.
Laughing.
Me almost peep it up myself, people.
I feel like my phone
I cuss the AI baby. You understand? The woman under there, I cuss out the AI baby. And I say, you go like you're a big woman. Yeah, go like you're a big woman. Yeah, you're too grown. Little people have no business to chat like that. Yeah, your parents are teacher, not a cuss out the AI baby, you know. As we sit down here, some not like to honor. You know, so we need to start screenshot some of them comment and read it back.
We could laugh, you know.
Oh, there goes Miss.
We could give one some.
We can give us some joke. After the AI baby where people come out there. Yeah, one of them come out, the one with the Whitney Houston I sing at the end, and the one where Master Baker baby, the Master Baker baby say, sweetheart, what should mommy give to your deadbeat daddy for Father's Day? And then Whitney the baby said, nothing. One man come up under there. A man say, you're a bitter little girl. You're a bitter little girl. Uno make man not take care of them picnic.
And then people say, and
the little girl not have no manners. No manners. I can talk about nothing. Clearly, it's Whitney Houston voice. Clearly, those are AI babies. They're not real. Mr. Iman cuss. You look at Master Baker AI baby, you know? Cuss the daylight out there. Yes, and one we make with the first AI with Auntie Dana and Ashanti, they wanted them put on some cussing underneath. I will have to delete them because they were very disrespectful. You understand me? Yes, very disrespectful. But them a cuss the AI baby, like a really Auntie Dana sit down there. Yeah. So tell me, say them people paying and they need serious mental health check. Don't? Yeah, them serious, me I tell you. We can't go on and on about the baby them will get cussed out since we post them. Ninja Man are the one who not too long post. Yeah. Somebody go up under there and say, shut up your mouth, you're a damn liar. I know you sing on a fear song, I believe the children are the future. A Whitney Houston
lead the way.
A Whitney Houston sang that, shut up your mouth, boy. Shut up your mouth. Oh, you're so lie. AI baby then sit down there a cussing.
I know the real ninja man.
And a real ninja man. That one get a lot of views and shares. Yeah, yes. Yeah. Which one you talk, Karen? The Whitney Houston one, yes. It got what? 45,000 reaction and well, how much thousand shares, yeah. Yeah. Trust me, we can sit down here and we need to start screenshot them and can read them.
You tell say the poor baby them get cussed out.
Then cussy baby them cussy baby them talk about how they act like them a big man and big woman.
How you fit talk when
you fit talk them weird. Only one with chipping out. Yeah, them cuss. Oh, you did a mix up a Jamaican with the English and all kind of shit. A cuss it. You look at AI baby, you know?
Yeah.
Poor thing. And me say me and Vanilla we sit down back here and read. We say we people. Me say we laugh. Me say me laugh till me almost peep you up myself. Remember me tell you.
Some of the comments of we have a laugh. And then we delete them.
Because we're like, you know, they don't know better. But where them people that come from? Where they come from? They don't know about AI. AI is doing so many things these days. You gotta move with the time.
Yes.
You have to move with the time or you're gonna get left behind. That's it. Because AI is now doing commercial for huge companies. And yeah, you know how much people reach out to us, want us to use our AI tools to do commercial for them. Yeah. Yes, AI can do so many things.
So much.
So it's mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Really. Yeah. A lot of companies are using AI now. Let me read some of my comment and comment.
Your platform was the first to share these funny AI baby CNV.
Oh yes, and the amount of shade we get for the AI babies, it's a good thing we use the shades, you understand? And all we do with them, we just wear them.
About baby for cusso back poppy show.
Yeah, but what we are gonna start though is when them come over and cuss with AI baby, we are gonna take them and turn them into an AI. If you come and say we've been passing through social media and we go over upon chocolate and vanilla platform and we cuss out one of them AI baby and now we're an AI baby. Look at us, we're so damn dumb and stupid.
We don't have no sense.
We don't have no sense. Me's a big worthless girl when I know about AI. And that we are gonna start do with them. Take them and make AI with them. Anything then come and comment, we use them and make an AI. With them picture, we're gonna put them picture next to them and then turn them in our AI baby. Yeah, because we can turn them in an AI baby, we can turn them all in a monkey. We can turn them in a monkey, we can turn them in a dog, yeah, puss, rat, anything. I mean,
we can make them hair go from being long to being bald.
Yeah, man. We can make them look anywhere we want them to look. Yeah. You know, so we make Ninja Man kind of cute. Yeah, we could have make him exactly like Ninja Man, but we, you know, nobody come on the page. I'm frightened.
Yeah. Yes, AI is taking over the world.
AI is. You have to move with the times.
Yeah.
You're going to get left behind. Yes. You understand? Yes. Remember when
babies are so adorable. Enjoy them so much. Thank you.
If it's up to some people, we're still on typewriter. You understand? You are your thing. You know what I mean? The world is evolving. You gotta move with it, or else you get left behind and you come on social media and you look like a big jackass, like some of these people. Why did they cuss out the damn AI baby like a me and Vanilla?
Wait a minute.
What?
Nobody post me or you gotta tell Ashanti 360 pound we? What?
I'll him, me soon use him and turn one AI. Yeah, making content. You go back and tell him, Karen Blair, because me soon turn him in our AI.
You gotta turn him into an AI baby.
He think we not listen. We are listen. We just wait for the perfect line.
We're gonna catch one. We
know what we are. Not tell Karen Blair because she over there got chat. We know what we are wait pan. For turn him in our AI. We know what we are wait pan. But nobody not safe. Nobody not safe. We don't answer people. If one them we no want use them picture an animal. You understand? So them are gonna cuss with an AI dog, an AI cat, an AI baby, but just not be a vanilla. A horse, a puss. You not get we fi come out you can argue with nobody again. No. No.
We done.
We have the formula. We're done.
We know how to use AI, okay?
We have the formula. So enter your best with me. I know we are cuss.
We're gonna make you cuss for yourself using your own voice and turn you into an animal with your own voice. Yeah.
You're not cussing me. You see, look at face the one we put out today, we call it school and the principal.
Yes.
I left a message and Vanilla did I listen the voice note.
Yes.
Yes, man. You hear the one that rank, the one. Miss as she gets some cussing in that comment.
Yes, man.
Murderer. No, sir. Yes, the people. So we're gonna try to make it onto praise and worship tomorrow.
We are gonna try.
Vanilla, we're gonna try
Vanilla.
Vanilla.
We're gonna try, yes.
Vanilla, we're gonna do it.
We're gonna try, yes.
All right, Vanilla. Here she said.
We're gonna try,
Let
yes.
me ask her one more time. We're gonna do praise and worship tomorrow, right, Vanilla?
I said we're gonna try, yes.
Why trying, Pat? Why you can't remove it, try? We're gonna do praise and worship tomorrow.
We're gonna do our best to be on praise and worship tomorrow, yeah? Can't make no promises because you don't know what might happen between today and tomorrow. Okay? Can't make no promises because life is lifing.
I don't want no problem. Oh, laugh out loud. No, man, no problem over here. Once you're nice over here and be respectful, you can always disagree with us, guys, because we don't know everything. You understand? And even if you disagree, we can do it respectfully.
Yeah.
We don't have to class each other, name call each other. I'm not always right. Vanilla's not always right. You understand?
We're human. We're not perfect.
So, Don't be afraid. We won't turn you into a dog or a cat because you disagree with us. We won't do
when
that.
When you're cuss with.
When you're cuss with now. You know what I mean? Then. And then. You understand? Vanilla and I will get together in my office and say, okay, what shall we do?
All right. And then we work our heads together. And boom.
And boom.
There you get the post.
Yeah, but guys, I can't believe that they actually reported our page. And they remove our monetization. Yeah. But we don't care about that because we never was out here for the money. The monetization was to allow me to do more for my supporters. You know, so even if I could do 10, the monetization could give us a little 2 or 3 extra. That's all the monetization really did for us. We don't make anything off of social media.
But what we were making on social media, we gave back, and we're still giving back. So
way more than that. Way more than that. You know?
It just goes to show you, say, another monetization.
It was a monetization. We give over $20,000 in credits from the time we've been giving away credits. It's over $20,000. We could have make a down payment for our next property with that. You understand me? So it's never about money for us to be monetized. As me stated before, when I bumped into the you know, I like to bring her up. Because God and God knows, say, you know, too much people always talk about her. When I do nothing for clout or do not call her name for no ill will or anything. But I don't know who me talk about when I see her do our program. You know, that inspired me to want to give back in my own way. And I said, okay, even if I can give out of pocket, being monetized, I could use that money. And no matter how much me able to do, I could add that to it. And it would allow me to do a little bit more. So that was the whole point of being monetized. Yeah, but them take away the monetization. And then we play too much music too. So the only thing we can really get per year are stars. And stars are like 1 cent per stars. We're not being ungrateful because even if it's $1, it's still something.
Even if it's 50
you know, it still can make up another credit to give away. You understand? So we're not ungrateful. But it was never about money and being monetized for us. We just know that that came with being on a platform, having a platform, and we utilized it in order to give back more. Yeah. So that's what it was all about for us. But them reported the thing, and we get a strike on with the page for it. But it's not going to prevent us from sharing. We just have to be careful on what we share because the haters are out there and they don't like to see people live good. Everybody should end up being a fake person. Everybody should end up having a motive. Everybody should end up not being real and genuine. Well, I'm here to break y'all's heart because not until people actually does something to us, you're not gonna try to convince us on what you believe, on what your perception of someone is. You understand? Then we must go with that, or else that won't happen. Yeah, that won't happen. We don't deal with threats around here. Yeah, you're the only platform I see giving back to the supporters. Well, you know, we don't study that, but thank you for saying that. But we don't study and look at what other people are doing. We just focus
do what we want. We're doing what we want to do.
Yeah, what our
we want to give back.
Yeah. You know, maybe they give back in other ways. I don't know.
We don't know.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm not here to judge any other platform. You know, they don't have to do what we do. We don't have to do what they do. We're all our own individuals. You understand? So that's what it's all about for us. Yeah. Why people
so wicked, and you doing a wonderful work by giving back to your people and showing love.
Oh yeah, so you know, some people try to tear down something that they're not capable of doing. They don't sit back and say, even though I'm I'm not in the position to do that. That's still a great thing that they're doing. No, they just don't have the art to admit something like that. And you know what I'm saying? They prefer to knock it and tear it down because they're not the one who's doing it. That's how you have some people that are in life. You know, they're out there, they're everywhere. They're on your jobs. They're just people like that in the world. And we just have to know how to maneuver around people like those and still remain true to yourself and being a good person.
Yeah.
That's all. Yeah.
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 Waveney,
big up yourself. Tashi.
Andrea.
Yeah, man, there are wicked people out here. I didn't know that you have people who are wicked to certain levels until I've been on social media. You understand? Yeah.
Right.
They're just wicked. Yeah? They're just wicked people. They don't like to see people show love. If you help somebody else, you're enabling those person from not working and from not helping themselves when people don't have the same opportunities like some of us do. You know what I mean? They don't look at it that way and see that there are people who are actually trying, but it's just so hard to make ends meet. You understand?
Right.
Because things are going up, yet people's wages aren't going up.
Right.
Yeah? They don't look at life like that. They just look at life through tunnel vision. And I've traveled so much, and I know that I've seen how other people live in this world, and it opened up my eyes. You know, it opened up my eyes and let me see that, you know, sometimes we might think we don't have a lot, but there are people who would have given anything to be in our positions. You understand? When I look at poverty at certain countries that I've been to, and I'm like, wow. And then the people who are in poverty are just so not envious. They're just so happy with the little that they have. You know what I mean? And so grateful for the little that you can stretch for to give them. I've seen the differences that a little dollar made in the life of a child.
Yeah.
Driving through the Dominican Republic, and Mike and I, we were just handing out dollar bills to little kids, and I've seen their reaction.
They were so grateful.
Like they almost wanted to bow to us for a couple of dollars.
Yeah.
You understand?
Auntie Donna, big up yourself, teaching you my cooking skills.
Auntie,
bless
big up
bless
yourself,
up.
Auntie.
Happy Saturday
Happy
to you.
Saturday. Thank you for the stars. Someone just sent us stars.
Thank you, Sunshine Queen.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I've seen what what I consider to be so minute that other people are so excited about.
Yes.
You know? And the difference that it made in their day.
Yeah, and sometimes it's something small that can make such a big difference, and you don't even realize. You know, you might be doing something, and to you it might not be big, but to somebody else
Auntie,
it could be what changes their life.
Yeah, so that
Just
is
being kind to others and you know, putting a smile on their face can be all the difference to them that day.
I've seen poverty on some levels, guys, because when I visit certain countries, I love to go to the outskirts, not just the tourist area.
Outside of the tourist
I want
area.
to have that experience, you know, and to see how people actually live. And I've been to countries where, oh my God, it would just blow your mind. You know, I remember when I had my daughter, we were on the bus, and we stopped at a school, and the little girls, they were just so in love with my daughter's dress and her sandals, and I let Mike took his marina off and put it on my daughter, and I gave them her dress and her sandals, and the reaction, like, they were just so, that little girl was just so excited. You know, it brought tears to my eyes, you know? So I know I've seen situations, and these people, they work really hard, but they don't get much. You know, they don't get much. I've been to in Mexico. I've been to Cozumel, and while we were there, we were talking to people on the resort. You know, workers. Because I love having conversations with the workers. Like I said, I'm into the local people. And we asked the guy, he was talking about, we gave him a tip. This is how the conversation started. We were at the bar and we gave him a tip. And he was just so excited about that $20 tip that we gave him. He was like, thank you so much. And then we started talking about how much he make. As far as his pay, he made $5 a day. Imagine that. I can't imagine myself making $5 a day. So they rely on the tips.
And that's a lot with a lot of different countries, is the people who work for the resorts and stuff like that, they get paid little, and they really depend on those tips from you know, the people that come to the resort. And you have people who don't think that, oh, well, you have a job, you're getting paid. They don't think and say, okay, this person has done, you know, whether it's a person cleaning your room, serving you a drink, whatever, give them something to tell them how much you appreciate their hard work that they and their service that they just gave you.
Yeah, I was blown away, guys, when he told us that. We were like, what? We couldn't fathom the thought of working for $5 a day.
Yeah.
And he had to share the tip money with the other guy that was working with him at the bar. He said, I don't know if it's just that particular resort that we stayed on, but he said, like, they have to share their tips, right?
And I guess maybe it's to make it fair to everybody, so that they all can contribute something.
I don't know. But his reaction for that $20, and once we found that out, it's like we just wanted to go to him and give him something. Whatever he does for us, we made sure we tipped him. And I'm such a believer in that, especially when I go to Jamaica. I made sure I tip my people if I'm staying at a resort. I made sure of that because they work so hard, you know, and they have a lot of people that they have to cater to. And a lot of these people are rude too, because, you know, they feel like these people are serving them, so they can just treat them and talk to them however and complain about every single little thing. And I'm not saying you don't have some of them where you know, have an attitude problem, which I've never really encountered that, to be honest.
I can say I remember one time, and you'll remember this. I went to a resort, and the person cleaning my room stole my money out of my bag.
Oh, we talked about that, but we're not talking about the stealing.
But I'm just
saying.
I'm just saying that was something that was my tip money that, you know, I had on me for that day, and she took it.
You just care all of that. Why you gonna bring up that it's stealing?
But just to say.
Yeah, we're not talking about stealing. We're talking about people that would not make the money at hard work.
But I'm just saying, she obviously needed the money.
You didn't feel the way there. Why you gonna report the damn woman?
Of course I reported her.
Why you didn't make she just take it since I tip money?
No. Because that's not fair to the other people that could have received that tip money.
Let's see why be there if you argue all the time. That's how we go on, you know. All the up our lives. You don't be afraid to call her out.
Because why she took away from other people.
Why you report your woman for some money?
Of course I did.
Call them police and everything.
She took away from other people.
So why you didn't make that be fair tip money and just forget about it?
That was a lot of money to take.
Yeah, that's true. That all right.
That was a lot of money to take. That could have shared for a lot of people. Fair is fair.
But why you gonna cock up your money and know woman? Why you have a safe in your room? Why you gonna cock up your money on the bed in your? So why you didn't carry the damn bag in the bathroom?
I didn't think I had to carry the bag in the bathroom with me. I was in my room.
Yeah, you're in your room, but you know a maid come in to come clean the damn room. You take up your bag and carry in the bathroom when you got people.
I shouldn't have to carry my bag in the bathroom.
You understand? So, I mean, me and me, a Jamaica and life kind of rough. You understand? I me see big old money cock up in a bag on the bed.
That's right, that's stealing.
Yeah,
that's stealing.
It is stealing, but you know what I mean?
See? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be a big
don't feel like say, I mean, you left it there for say, you know what I mean?
It wasn't even like it was sticking out. She actually went through my bag.
So long you're in the bathroom, when you're not doing the bathroom so long?
I had just gone in the bathroom, and when I went in there to pee. And when I came out, my money was gone.
Oh.
That's not right. That could have helped a lot of people.
I
was being
but
selfish.
You don't know much people in our family.
It doesn't matter. It wasn't for her.
But well, just think about it this way. It helped a lot of people.
How do I know?
In our family.
How do I know that?
Well, me
maybe she went and bust. Maybe she went out and party with her money there.
She don't look like the partying type. Because you did show me the maid.
That's stealing.
Yeah, stealing, yes. But I guess because I don't have in my country.
I don't know what happened to her. I don't know what happened to her.
The woman didn't need it. She didn't need it more than you. Because see you now, you're alright.
Yeah. All right, but obviously, but she shouldn't do that.
No, she shouldn't do it. But I mean,
wrong is wrong.
Yes, wrong is wrong.
It's not right to steal.
It's not right for steal. Yeah, but you know, since I tip money, I don't feel like you need for call down police and make we sit down in that place the all day when we could out there enjoy beach with this big investigation. You understand me? You did just yeah, me know wrong, but I mean, you did just make me lose all the time when I could have outside at the beach or at the pool or do something for that. I am totally pissed off right now about that. How much years ago that happened?
That's right, Sandy. She should have asked if she didn't need it that much.
Yeah, she should have asked. But Sandy, you don't understand how
all right, Gillette,
we sit down there in an investigation.
That's right, Sandy. It's the principle. She shouldn't have taken.
No, she shouldn't.
It wasn't hers to take.
That's true.
It wasn't hers to take.
Yeah. Well, always was.
She didn't know how much I was gonna give her.
No, she didn't know. You probably didn't know. Yeah.
That's right. She was wrong.
How much you plan for gear?
It doesn't matter how much I planned.
No, me I ask you between me and you now. How much you plan for gear?
Even if I had planned to give her 20, she didn't need to take so much. Even if I had planned to give her 40, she took all it.
Oh no, I know. Sorry, Vanilla. Is there anything we can do to make you forget that?
We need to go back there. No.
Anything else? Anything we can do to wipe that out of your memory? Because it happened in my country. You want back your money, Vanilla?
No. It's gone already.
Because it coming like it's still a bother you for so much years. Me we give you back your money. How much you thief from you, Vanilla? How much?
Too much.
Me we give you back, man. And you just forget about it and never ever mention it again.
I can't guarantee some. I won't mention it again. Because you're wrong.
Because
when you're wrong, you're wrong.
How much years ago that was, Vanilla?
That's right, Sandy. She could have stole her blessings.
Me know, Sandy.
That's right, she was wrong to take the money.
Me not condoning thieving people. Me not condoning it. But every time we talk about traveling, Vanilla always mention that. And you say cheat two people because it happened in a family country. Me just want you to forget about it. So I'm willing to pay her off, man.
You can't pay me off for that. You can't pay me off.
You understand?
You can't pay me off.
How much years now you got Jamaica back and forth and stay? How much result? And I one time that happened to you. And every time we are talking that happen, you're happy, you're bringing that. You have up my country?
No, because you have me up enough. No.
You have me up. No. So when you see me sit down over here, society, you look for me and I say, I wonder if you thief like your woman or thief.
I've been around you for 30 odd years. Me don't think so.
I wonder if you thief like your woman or thief your money out of my bag.
No, me don't think that way.
You think about that?
No.
Vanilla?
Yes, it traumatized me, man. Yes, Pi, it traumatizing.
What do you think Vanilla there have been her heart and say after the country no. And I wonder if me got thieves sitting out her bag. And that's why she always a hold up on her bag so when me and her. And that's why you always a hold up on your bag so Vanilla.
Really?
One time around
your bag right there, son. Behind me.
And that's why you
better than me.
And that's why you put it so close when me then I eat care with your Vanilla. You think you got thieves your Vanilla?
See me sitting right here with all my card them. You could have take that too.
Vanilla, I no cash that man. I cash your
You know the pin?
Yeah.
Alright. You know the pin door. So if you don't want to take money, you could take a 1 week more than one
think that's why Vanilla always a hold up on him bag when me decide I me feel deal. So Vanilla, me will pay you back for money where my teeth fry you, Vanilla. You understand?
It's not going bad already. But just to say she wrong.
Jesus Christ.
She not wrong and strong, she wrong.
Okay.
When you're wrong, you're wrong.
Sunshine Queen, big up yourself.
Colleen, big up yourself.
Taylor, how you doing?
No pay us no money, so we go on.
Me just feel like Vanilla have me up.
Me not have you up, man.
Woman with teeth and money. You understand? I know me tell you because
no, I don't have you up, me have she up.
Make we blame me, pa. Who did make us stay at the resort there? Me know, I think I'm Mark. Don't have a brother. Make we blame me, pa.
A Mark fault.
A theme fault. Him make us stay at the resort there.
Yes, a theme fault. We blame him.
Auntie!
He was with us. Thank you so much, Auntie. We blame him, even if we're not theme. Because he was with us, we blame him.
I make us steal.
For Mark.
I was traumatized to go back there.
When I go back to the resort there again, you know, just know. Any other resort we'll go, but not the one there.
When I put a name on it.
No, when I put the name on it.
Yeah, because when I want to mash up nobody. When I want to give nobody business,
No, we just know, say, between we now go back there. Sorry.
Coffee cooler, guys. Yeah. Teaching you what?
You said you're watching and never remember for share the live.
Oh, that's alright, Auntie. No problem, man. No problem. We just there run off about and chat all kind of.
That's right. Next time I hold my bag tight. Next time I go, me not take it out until me I get ready for walk out the door. But you see me to take it out and say, alright, you know what? We are go up on the road, me I go run go use the bathroom. And things say, alright.
Vanilla, remember the day when it happened. It was a funeral we were going.
We were.
And you say you're going to use the bathroom.
I was going to use the bathroom, yeah. But because we were going on the road, me take out money.
But why you couldn't just come in my room, come use the bathroom? And me did that right next door.
But I was in my room. I thought I would be okay if I use the bathroom from the room. I didn't know say I'd have to go to a whole nother room to use the bathroom for no say my money, alright? What kind of thing that? Me for go to one whole entire different room to go use bathroom just so my money would have saved and it wouldn't be safe enough for my own room? What kind of fuck that? Me I just get up, say alright, me I leave my room, leave you in here, lady. No, send me back. I'll go alright because me I go to a different room for go use bathroom.
But Vanilla, me just want the stain there be removed. Me know it happened, but it coming like you still hurt over it over all these years. And it because it happened in my country, me just want see how me can help you forget over this trauma.
No.
Me offer for give back your money over and over. Let me just give back your money and you forget about this. What
you
happened
give it back
to
me, I'll go give it to somebody for my next
But
trip.
then and you have to just pinky swear that you'll never talk about this again.
I can't do that.
Can we just make a deal? And
that would be.
So what will fix it? What will fix it?
Untrue.
What will fix it so you can just get over that and not mention it? Because every time you mention it, me just feel like say, you know, yeah, do it for spite me because I'm not from my country. You understand?
It could have happened in any country. I would have talked about it the same way.
So not just because a film country happened, you keep talking about it.
It could have been anywhere.
And that's me know say you go back after that, but me just feel like say
me go back one at a time after
but
that.
why you carry that one incident then in your heart? Me just feel like say in your heart. You understand? Because every time we bring up resort or traveling, you have to inject that part in there.
That's the first thing that come back to my mind.
So what you think so we need for kind of therapy for you get over this? We need to schedule an appointment so you can go have a talk with a shrink?
It ain't gonna help.
Oh, you know, we have to start taking some step to healing, Vanilla. I want you to heal from this. You understand? Sister Marda Pani. Marie,
pick up yourself.
Yeah, I want you to heal from this. Oh, you are going to heal.
Heal?
Yeah, and move on.
I'm healed.
Oh, you're going to move on from it so that way we can have a conversation.
No, but you see the thing is, now since that happened, I'm very cautious. I make sure before I leave my room, that is the last thing I do is take out my money. I go take out my money and then go to the bathroom again. That never happened.
See, me just
So,
feel like
so
saying,
prevention better than cure. Maybe it was a good thing it happened when it did.
no,
so me
man,
know
I
say
just
going
feel like
forward
say for me country,
forever.
I feel me country cause that now.
That's gonna be the last thing me do. Me not go into your bathroom, go use bathroom, just so me know say, my money all
No,
right.
but you're not listening to me. You're not hearing me. You're just speaking. I want you to hear me. Because I'm telling you how I feel about it. You understand? I know it could have happened in any country. But you know how much I love my country, right? I don't like hear anybody say anything bad. I know that they're bad everywhere.
Of course.
You understand me? But me no wanna more, negative stain for my country. Especially me no want
you bring it up for your country. I didn't mention it. Did I mention what country it was? No. I did not mention what country it was. I said I went to a resort and somebody stole my money. Are you come say which part it happened? I know me. It could have happened anywhere. It could have been here in the U.S. that we go to a resort and
listen, guys. We don't know if I don't know where we are
Hawaii we go and somebody do it. Then
Because Vanilla won't give me a chance to talk. I'm explaining how this made me feel. I know it could have happened in any other country, but the fact of the matter is, it happened in mine. You understand? So even when I said it, whether I said it yes or no to the audience, I know in my heart it happened in my country. You understand? I thought this would have been something you would have gotten over, and moved on. But it seemed like you can't move past it. You understand me? Because every time we talk about travel and resort, for some reason that incident always resurfaces. So I'm saying you need to get to a place where you can just put it behind you. You understand me?
Try.
Heal from it.
Try.
Or let me compensate you for what's missing, even though I don't know that lady. And if that will help you to just, forget it. Just remember the good times you have there.
I do.
And when we talk, focus on the good time rather than having to always inject that one incident. I don't like it. The same way you don't like what happened to you. I don't like it because it happened there. You understand me? Yeah. And I think we need to go sit down with someone. Anyone on here want to sit down with us so we can resolve this matter? What about you, Marie? You're a good person to sit down and
Marie, you want to be a counselor to help me get over this?
We need counseling for this.
Malcolm, look for you here. Make
We
it
need
counsel
counseling.
me.
Yeah. We need
Malcolm,
counseling.
here. Make
And
it counsel me.
You're volunteer.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, this is an issue. This is going to be an issue within our friendship of 30 odd years, because
You have to counsel.
I've never really said it before, but I'm over it. I don't like hearing about it because I know where it happened, and I would have preferred if it didn't happen there, but unfortunately it happened there, and it makes me feel bad whenever you talk about it, knowing that you went there with us to be there for our family, and during a time when we lost someone, and then you ended up losing your money, and I've offered you multiple times to pay it back, and you won't accept it. So I don't know what else to do for you to get over it. You understand me?
Marie, may I come look for you? Yeah.
Yes. Over here, so yeah, but can't bother with Vanilla. We just come out of the camera. You understand me? We can't bother. You don't understand where me I come from though. Who the pump for me side? Yes, cause Vanilla. You don't read what I must say, cause I can't say.
That's right, Mar. It's not personal. It's just a shock. That's right.
So how long
I
a shock
understand
take to come out
Vanilla.
of somebody system? I mean, I don't like say Vanilla did have her. I mean, me not justify.
But I've gone.
Listen,
I had gone there.
finish?
Hold on. I had gone there before, and I've gone there many times since. So it's not like it prevented me from going back.
I know, Vanilla. I know it doesn't prevent you from going back, but you have to understand my point of view too. Like,
See, Mar, say forever.
What do you mean forever? you have to understand that it doesn't make me feel good knowing that you came with us on that trip to support or to be there for our family during the time of a loss, and then you ended up losing your money. That is that's one part of it. The next part of it, it happened in my country, and I felt like if it had happened here in the United States that I live, and someone happened to take my money, I wouldn't be injecting it in every conversation we have about the United States of America.
I don't inject it every time we talk about Jamaica.
No, not every time we talk about Jamaica. When we're talking about vacation and places we travel to, for some reason that little thing always seems to pop its head up, and I'm just over it. Like, no, I'm not even joking. Like, I don't want to hear about it, because first, it remind me that you come with me on the trip. Second, it remind me, say, happening in a country. I felt like I've offered you enough time for you get over it. Well, it may not, there's no specific amount of time, but me just feel like, say, you know, it gone so long, and I like saying you have it's your last dollar. You know what I mean? The person probably desperate. I'm not justifying it, but whenever you bring it up, all of that coming on my head, like, you know, me feel certain responsibility.
Why you feel responsibility?
I don't know. I'm just telling you how I feel. I can't explain why I feel. First of all, I feel the responsibility because if it wasn't us, you wouldn't be on that trip. Second of all, it happened in my country, and me just not like the fact that you always find a way to inject that little situation. You have had so many amazing experiences in Jamaica. You have gone to so many amazing places and done so many amazing things. Why, when we talk about go traveling, you don't bring up those stuff and forget about that one little incident? That's all I'm saying.
All right, may I go listen to you, Mara? May I go try for ignore it next time it come up? May I try for forget about it?
Anybody understand where I'm coming from? I'm not trying to justify the fact that, you know, somebody, them right for take our money. I'm not saying they're right to steal our money. That's our money, and if somebody needs something, they should ask. But you all have to understand where I'm coming from too. First, if she never come with us, for be there as a support system during the time of my loss, I had lost a sister, and that's how she ended up being on the trip. Second of all, it happened in my country. You understand? So me always I wonder if it did happen in one different country, if you're still a talk about if it did happen over here where you walk and them rob you, if every time we come out the road you that talk about the robbery. That's all I'm saying. You know,
I understand. I'll try hard enough to bring it back up.
Yeah, I you know, I can't be a hypocrite. I have to just tell you how I feel, and that's how I feel, guys. Yeah. Let me read some of my comment then.
Marina.
When then company, I forget all hot and eat it, but it just me just can't dance around things, guys. What you see is what you get, and I'm just being honest. What am I saying? Yes.
Yes, I understand, Mar.
Yeah, who would have felt like I'm feeling? I mean, I want to take a side with me. Just let me know if you agree or you disagree, because you don't have to agree with me. Understand? But I'm the type of person like this. If me did get robbed, my mom, they robbed her in New York once, and you know, suppose every time I go to New York, me talk about, oh, New York is a, oh my God, they robbed my mom in New York. She was living there, actually, you know what I mean? But every time I go to New York, my sister, them will live in New York. Every time I go around there, them, me depend, oh, them rob mommy, them did rob, remember when they rob mommy, remember when they rob mommy, them rob mommy in New York, them rob mommy in New York. Every time they bring up a conversation about, you know, robbery, that's all me that inject in there. Of course, at some point, I may be like, I'm over it now, you know. You don't have to inject that in there all the time. You understand where I'm coming from?
I'll try not to bring it back.
I don't want you not to feel how you feel, but I want you to understand how me feel too.
I understand. I'm listening to you.
You know what I mean?
I'm listening.
Yeah? Say you're mad if you're mad. I don't. You can be mad. You can be upset.
I'll try if it upsets you that much. I'll try not to bring it up. We won't talk about it around you.
Yeah, but I also offer solutions. I offered how
make you pay for something that you didn't do. So why? That's not right. You didn't do it to me. And everybody at Jamaica did it, or one person.
Right, but then I'm trying to explain how it make me feel when
I will try not to talk about it again.
Because I've let you talk about it for whenever, but it has gotten to the point where I'm like over it. Like it's I'm tired of hearing about it.
I'll try my best not to talk about it around you.
Okay. Chocolate and vanilla BFF. What?
Sashira, big up yourself.
Good afternoon, Sashira. But anybody who can comment and have afraid for comment. We're not gonna vex with each other. We can express ourselves. I'm very expressive.
Yeah, we both express myself.
Yeah, we're not gonna be mad at each other.
No.
And I know that
Vanilla, like this end with friendship.
Right, and I know that Vanilla loves Jamaica and she go back all the time, but I felt somewhat responsible, for a better term. I felt somewhat responsible because it was an occasion where, she came with us to be there for me. And I felt like that wouldn't have happened if she, didn't, come with us.
Charlene.
Who that?
They said they understand both sides.
Understand both sides. Thank you. Well, I can't take vanilla sides too, it don't really bother me. You know what I mean? And it may not gonna be mad at y'all for taking, if you don't understand where vanilla come from. Because we're all different. And she
is upset about the way it was done, so maybe it's the person who did it may have to apologize so she can get closure.
And I don't know that person.
I believe Vanilla is still upset about it. That is why she spoke about it.
Right, and you guys have to understand. I don't blame her from being upset. But what I'm saying is, whenever she speaks about it, I felt certain amount of responsibility because it happened in my country. It happened on a trip that she came on in support of me. Because of the loss of my sister. Had she been home and didn't have to be on that trip, then her money wouldn't have gotten stolen. And I have asked her multiple times that I would give it back to her. She doesn't want it back from me.
No.
And I don't want to constantly hear about the situation.
Right. I'll try not to bring it back up, like I said.
What? No man, both sides fear. Okay, because she knows how I feel about my country. I love it I take it with its good and I take it with its bad, but I have to admit I felt bad that it happened there to my friend. You understand? If that makes sense. So I just wanted her to know that it's just a situation that happens, and it could have happened anywhere, and she just have to move on from it. You have to, at some point you have to move past it, and don't let it make you paranoid and feel like you can't leave your room no more, no matter which resort we go to, because this is a reputable resort we're talking about. It's not some hole in the wall. It's one of them. It's one of them well-known resorts. So it's not like we'd have stayed in some place where it wasn't secure. This was a huge. Secure. Yeah, this is a well-known establishment. So where we thought everything would be safe for us. But unfortunately, people don't know the hearts of the people that they hire. They can only go by, what's been said to them and trust that. So, yeah, so it happens. And I just feel like we just need to move on.
Not gonna try. Not gonna try not to talk about it again.
You can talk about it, just not with me. How about that?
Okay.
Yeah, just talk about it until you get over it with someone else outside of me.
Okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
Deal.
Yeah. Yes, I did report it. But we're not talking about it no more. We're done. Now move on, yeah?
Are you
I don't
sure?
want to upset my friend no more.
And I don't want to upset you either. And I don't want you to feel like, you know, I'm trying to come at you in a negative way. I'm not. I just want you to understand what suppose
I understand where you're coming from.
Okay, suppose you invite me to...
You keep dragging it out.
I just know, me know you're in a vanilla. I know once we're over something. And you're still not. Yeah, Missy say you feel a certain type of way. I know you can't tell me nothing. They might not know you, but me know you. But me just want show you in a different way. Suppose you see, you invite me at your family place, yeah, and something come up missing for me when I was there spending the night. You understand me? And every time me and you have a conversation about staying at relatives' house,
You bring it up.
me bring it up. Oh, that would make you feel.
Of course, but I know your family house, so that's the difference.
No, that's just an example I'm using.
I understand.
You understand?
Yeah.
Me go to your family because of you. You understand me? Then you go to Jamaica because of me. You see what I say? Right? And every time we're going to talk about family and staying
If
at
we
family,
did stay at a well-known place in where my family there,
right?
and then they take your money, I understand what y'all say.
And then me say me now go New Hampshire. Every time you talk about New Hampshire, me always have to inject that.
But
situation.
I don't always, because I don't always inject that in a conversation.
I feel like you do.
I don't.
Though, when we talk about traveling.
I don't.
No.
I don't. No. I don't.
I feel like you
It's
do.
been a long time since I brought it up, and we've talked about Jamaica enough.
Yeah.
And we've talked about resorts enough, and I didn't bring it up.
Okay, but now.
I know, like every time we talk about a resort, we bring it up. Yeah.
All right.
I know, like every time. So.
Are you gonna get over it though?
Eventually.
Okay. How long from now?
As for Nella, I know it was a one-time traumatic experience. Just write it off and leave that person to God. I also understand Chocolate's feelings as well. Kiss and move on. We're good, bud. We're good.
All right, guys. We'll come on praise and worship tomorrow. Let me see your face. Don't do that. Stop. She's back to. Yes, that's Vanilla now. She's okay now. See, she can't fool me. She can't, but she can't. She's okay now.
All right, play some more music and make me.
Play some more music.
Yeah. Play one more
She
song
can't
and then we go about with business.
She can't fool me.
Of course we're good, Mari. You know that already. You know, say that's how we go along. From morning. 30 odd years or so we're going. Mari used to it.
Yeah, but we don't want to just come out here and act like, you know, we're friendship perfect. We not disagree. We do disagree. So today it just happened, and it just so happened on live, you know, and I'm not gonna not be myself.
And I'm not gonna not be myself.
Exactly. So
we're both entitled to our own feelings.
why is
That's
it not?
right,
I'm
best
not
friends
hearing.
forever. I don't know. It says it's connecting.
No, please.
Turn it off from the Bluetooth and turn it back on.
Your phone on it?
No.
Okay.
There you go. It says it's connected.
Oh, it paused.
You turn out the volume on this. That crank up. Your volume on the side turn up?
Yeah.
I don't understand that.
I don't know.
You know I play.
Yes, it is.
I don't know.
Put it on. It's on right. Yeah, it's connected.
Come off of this and come back into it.
Okay. Yeah, guys, we're good.
We're good, man. Hey, Jackie Wilson, pick up yourself. All right, Mark. Have a great day. Love you.
Me we tell her no say no if she not good. Yeah, me we tell her no. Yeah, me not hide it. Me tell her no.
Mara says she'll go back to work.
You come? Okay, Mar. Love
Have a good
you.
day. We'll talk soon. We don't understand.
Like how Mar did that pioneer, we shouldn't tell her when we make she make right American airline.
Oh.
How we purposely miss her. We have some confession.
We have some confession.
Yeah. Me don't know what happened.
Me don't know what happened either. But you're connected, so me can't connect. Turn it off.
I don't know. We're doing something wrong here. That's all I know. Who ya text?
Kylie.
Oh. Yeah, let's go.
All right.
All right, guys. We'll be back on tomorrow for praise and worship. I'm going to read what they say. Oh.
Thanks. She said thanks.
Thank you, guys, for joining us. And if you missed it, let me go over it again. The lunchtime baby, we're doing it once a week. We only did it twice this week because
it's the first time.
It's the first time. Lunchtime baby, the video for lunchtime baby will always have a baby eating and saying it's my lunchtime. But we don't want you just to wait for that video to react. Make sure you react with other videos over on the chocolate and vanilla page, the backup page.
The page is pinned to the top of this page.
Yeah, because we're posting videos over there, and we want you to engage over there. That way we know our supporters, and we can screenshot you guys' name and give you first preference in our lunchtime baby giveaway. So yeah, we do it between 12 and 1 US time, Eastern Standard Time, I should say. Yes, and it's $25 just for your lunch. And we're also thinking about a back to school giveaway where we're gonna have $400. We're gonna break it in two to two of our supporters for back to school. And upon returning from our vacation, we're thinking about doing another food barrel. All right, we'll talk more about that in September because we want to do that for Christmas. So that's where we're at. Love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. I don't know what's going on.
I don't know what's going on either.
Yeah, and it's playing. It says it's playing. I don't know. It says it's playing. It's just that we're not getting any sound. I don't know why.
I don't know. It's cranked.
Yeah, and I bet when we do, yeah,
of course, as soon as we pull off and come off,
we'll figure out we're wrong.
Yeah.
Anyways, love you guys. Thank you for joining us.
Love you guys. Thank you so much for joining us.
Have a great day. Hope you enjoy our live and our little situation that occurred.
Right.
Love you too.
Have a blessed day.
Let's pick up some folks. Natasha,
Sunshine Queen,
Sunshine
Paulette,
Queen,
Cecilia,
Natasha. Those are the only comments we're seeing right now.
What is that?
So next week another lunchtime baby. We're not gonna say which day. Just make sure you turn on the notification.
See if you press play again. It was saying mine was connected and sharing with you.
Oh, that's why. That's probably why. That's probably why.
You add it up. It's off. No? No? I don't know.
So.
I don't know.
Oh.
Try and connect again. Cool.
I think I was connecting it to Mike's car.
Oh.
Let's see.
It says connected.
That's
I added on Mike's car. I added connected to. I added on Mike's car. Sorry.
Feels laid back. Monique, Mackenzie, Patricia, Jennifer Davis, pick up yourself.
We go.
And I'm Jamaican boy who's born and raised.
Valerie,
Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. LA's fine, but it ain't home. New York so
Janice, no more. I am myself.
Janice.
No one else. Hi,
Hi.
Anisha. Learning all night, even the chain. I am my pride. I am set up.
Thank you, Anisha. Be safe as well.
I am yours. Tashi.
Tashi.
And
Paulette.
Charmin. Even the lonely.
Eugene.
Andreen.
Andreen, how you doing, Queen?
One.
Except for the name, a few other changes. Talk about me.
The story's the same one.
Same.
Sunshine Queen, big up yourself.
Colleen.
Colleen.
Emptiness deep inside.
BS.
And it won't. Laurel Guy Gibson. Bless up yourself, Queen.
Laurel.
Patricia Bravo.
Patricia.
I swear, but I hate the sound of
Being alone. I am myself. To no one else. Felicia.
And no one's
Red all night, even the chair. I am my pride. I am set up. And I am lost and I can't even say why.